over time. The energy from the sun, being our primary energy source, emits photons that interact with our skin and body cells. These interactions can lead to generation of essential vitamin D and improved mood. Coupled with exercise, the sun can accelerate recovery and cellular rejuvenation. While studies have indicated that exercising in nature can offer therapeutic benefits akin to certain meditative practices, it's essential to note that the sun, as the principal energy source, plays a pivotal role. Its photons, warmth, and energy boost mood, aid in hormone regulation, and can even improve sleep quality. So the culmination of the practice, gratitude gesture.